Here we are in the Charlie. It's across from the bowling lanes. Our beer has arrived. I have Dying Breed from last call. Tasty, slight citrus, the General Sherman,
IPA.
somewhere in the Central Valley too. Wow, that's different. Definitely an IPA, but it's got kind of a smoother taste. I can't really put a finger on it, but there's some almost vanilla note. We're really happily surprised by the quality of this pizza. It's nice chew, nice. The, only on the very end there's a slight bit of doughiness. The rest of it's perfect. So it's slightly a little bit doughy, just not a lot. This part doesn't really look that way, but more in the middle, you get that. It's not uncommon. Well, actually, I'm not getting it so much now. Never mind.